Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Price reduced? Welcome to Monticello Park, Mandeville. This spectacular property offers breathtaking views and ample space on a sprawling 0.4-acre lot. With 10 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, this home is perfectly suited for a large family or an investor seeking rental income opportunities. The layout allows for flexibility, with the possibility of having at least 3 self-contained units, ideal for generating additional revenue. Enjoy the lush lawn and fruit-filled yard, providing a serene outdoor oasis. The ground level features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen, laundry area, and 2 patios. The second level offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, family room, dining room, kitchen, laundry area, a huge wraparound patio, and a double car garage. The upper level boasts 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a huge balcony. Amenities include a gazebo, swimming pool, pump room, concrete tank on the ground, as well as on the roof with electric pump. The motivated seller is ready to make a deal. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 99 million or US $643.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.